Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Prachi Creation. Today we are going to learn tissue paper rolls. So let's get started. For this we will need one tissue paper. Now cut it in 4 parts as shown. Now like this, take more 10 tissue paper and cut it as same. Now take a tissue paper and fold it as shown step by step. Take a Fevicol and stick it as shown. Now like this, make more petals. Now take a green paper that measures 21 by 5 cm and rotate it like a stick. Now take a green paper that measures 7 by 5 cm and make the same stick. Now stick the small stick on the big stick. Now take any measure of paper and make a flower and just curve it with a scissor as I am showing and make a hole in the middle of the flower. Now make small leaves and stick on the stick. Now take the tissue paper folds as we have made it and one by one stick the all tissue paper petals as I am showing. Now take a tissue paper strip and stick on the rolls as I am showing. Now insert the flower in the stick. And our beautiful and easy tissue paper rolls is ready. Friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video.